You be obe patch wa na was baba Ghana for nyina che say asem na wo kan no Ghana for mfa nche na wo kan agro so but nya sem bia so na edidi agro nti o mfa nche Dr. Grace Boadu nyame emfa ne currency emu bu ho a ya experience bi da you know how ya the course wo fi ho no entwa yi Poleeno Multimedia a channel a emu bia ni wa ye do bia temo channel no so da because you very well educated mistakenly na akọ make isa comment ya be catch us enye obi man so anke achew Ghana kra na obi pushi asem wi a ye be ba be chew Lilwin opa go through all our videos over 3,000 videos kasenti awon me mpe gidi ba e be Jones Lilwin ye biem ma me no enye boxing no ye nye UFC so in UFC I say kickboxing bibia afre bi ye mpe ring ni no anu nyina so nyomoja I'm telling you Enra enumren me ho na me hu say ya target me wo videos bim wo TikTok ana me ko ho ye na ne tenteni ne titia Lilwin say me pa na chew and concerning the statement o make ye efa ye YA media Papa J password grade 1 ho no say nka yen hye omu enku omu no o the thriving bloggers e wo Ghana nyina say they say only YouTubers YouTubers e Ghana omo ye content on entertainment no nka obi nyomo a nka omo nhye omo nkom nti say me ma be react to West this assembly a me pa na chew Poleeno maba nti ye be kasa ba na me catch you say your first time me subscribe to channel and click the bell notification so that anytime you post any video bia no you get it straight. And some no, you be boom tot. Yeah. Asama yapa we ask and say, Obi beka no cratcho. Yeah, now one fa. The statement will make here no say and I was saying ka. A suggestion now they may be for no. Say I was saying ka next time will be chu bisa yen bunun kunin no. I mean head dumb, just understand. See, as yes, I say, asem na o kind, nyansa nim, we ento sebi o ho. Yeah, asem na o kind, nyansa ba ko kra nim. What you say? Say, utimi make a statement saying, nki yembu obi nku na. Ye wo Ghana ha na. I'm just making a reference to this abusuan for me pa cho mo fanche me pa ene Ghana for no mo dono. Major Mahama. Mob beating, onye hwe. Ebono ema ne hre ne nkwa. Do you know how abusuan for the pain they are still going through now as I'm talking? What you say? It nka bibi say no esiye ena nka ye kan say nyame ambemu na nka bia ba ku free ma nka ngofo bi the same people now mo follow Lilwin. Those people will come online say hey we amfa we anya desua Ghana de sebi enyoma ehia nko na koso ha. But sister Lilwin kasa was saying sister and then you are still supporting him. Feel Lilwin me. I'm telling you the honest truth. My comedy videos are me here pa Lilwin, but when it comes say on kan no krenche nipa, I was say oka no kre echire nipa. Statement na okan nyansa nim. You feeling na so oka chere say Lilwin, asem ya wa kan die. Nyansa nim. Me I was expecting say be di kan be yes video no. Enka on next response and I say so you keep mute and answer saying Kaoba. I can say, I was just making fun of it. But people didn't get the comedy aspect of it. And then maybe be a cramp near the comedy. You can't tell me that we owe the comedy. It's not a comedy thing. You will be my son, Kay Chrome ha. As a big celeb like Lilwin, who make his statement to you. I'm telling you within the 20 minutes and I say within an hour, no, can I pick you up? I'm a saying I know solicitor. And I train how to move delicate. What I say, but Ghana obi to me can be now or fun who the trasa. And I'm telling you, say I same way now kind. Nyansa nim yen fan 20 say Papa J password YA grade 1 yen na ye ba kono. Forget that statement. You before for a cry and I may react towards this. I'll tell you say asem na o make ye nyansa nim. Na enye papa just be honest and tell the person and they say oh don kind now over supporting and as what you say asem no kind ye che blog e bia ye mununku no and then you people, the same people I'm saying, the same people will come online and talk rubbish. Excuse my words. What you say? And then young rem, and now say young started blogging no, na Lilwin who film that but on my whole kind say young say maybe a Kumawood coming back near him. Yes, we doing Kumawood come back because that's where you try a sooner if free. Lilwin, bisa India director India and I say editor India say director Poleeno Tama or buy here can say Swami. Oh, not director studio or Swami. My name is boss Tachi Chuan. A call hon. Near that time near VFX more special effects any animation. That time and yen nasemo. That I know yen realm. Tell so about Ashtown. Ashtown, I can't say Dr. Mensa Hono, because now I'm at Ashtown. Until that time, no, can be a number studio. Until when now Bahonina and I'm studio hobby. Ranamity piece home in new Ramo Ben Castro mo. Don't see me like that, Lilwin. Me no boy. But I look okay, me chroma crime or make I say body big catch or hear me more 25 inches. It's normal. But Lilwin, over me, I him and me respect even a 1 year old crown. Me respecting the background. Me bunny papa. But se nipa na ya ade na se enya na a family lane ma. E bi wa bi am family ho ntimi nkan wa. But if it's in my lane, I'll tell you. And I'm catch you say me fan no currency. I'll tell you the honest truth because sanity and advice we anka me dey ma on ke be boa. Because say obi ehun se sa na wo kan, people will see how dumb you are. Excuse my words. Like okasa there e bia ngofo be ka say eni bremu na o de kasa. What I say? When I started way back this game, man started blogging. Blogging crime started na menimumba. Yeah, Papa J and started my blogging interviews, man. I'm telling you today. I am my Vivian J. Lawrence and a man me courage said no. Why you interviews nibi? A toda for nim Kobe. And then Salunko was the first person opusi me ma me ne Kobe a year interview because na me pe camera. Me say nyina no e bi asi mi be bechina ye director akosi Boadu Multimedia because e bi abeye and aben ka se me me ya me ka juro say me pe camera and then ne nyina Dr. Like nim me ba be sere me say no. What I say because me pesere it me sere say no emfa me hu say nyame de no. What I say me de ne say me tena se me edit me script. Oh, me script me direct it. Me track camera like me baby aside acting. I'm telling you if you don't know. It's a movie or you start a game no. I check. Don't think say we are blogging game by you know and you dey home be real. You start a check. You a producer star. Into see a Kumawood wasema we talk with passion. We talk send be anyoma ebesiesi. What I say? Until when if you have the money to say over Boama industry I come and then competition and the best thing you have to do with your team is to look for the marketing side. How to sell your movies in Ghana. And when they have producers, and when I collapse movie. And see or they interview say me the bear 1 billion, they try me the bear 2 billion, come over 3 billion, Mr. President. And no intimate fix the film industry that. I'm telling you the honest truth. The only way the film industry can be solved, a man for as I bounce back, a trust in giddy. Yet to say, yeah, industry market now, you better fix it now. Because there is no more KJT, there is no more Cantamanto, and it's annual man, Oprasco and Monesanyo man. And see, what's the way forward? Because you're saying we are seeing and see if you have the money and can also and conform more ideas. Say, Abia Lilwin, me pesa me ye. Now we need team no because we any power for so the whole industry should come together near form side no. Na ye team channel say Ghana for and say we are for nyina. Say na dey open Kumawood movie ato a ha na ye to no Monday sini we na by any network companies accord together to promote our movies for us. You know, bloggers akasa ni promote movie my. Nti movie wa ye kasa we nim de eka. What you say? So don't come out na can be sa. Lilwin. If you look right and there was a feeling. But enyo movie wa hu here. I mean, I'm telling you, hu here say obeba no abeka. Because so kasa ye mbu obi nkunu dia now Lilwin pa. One kasa. Na whole Lilwin tim gas ye mabu obi nkunu. Hey, kojo. There be jaisa. And I Lilwin me your boy like hey many but bibi ntia and then I'm very calm because I'm peggy diggy. Yeah, but gidi bar ebe Jonesa. Because Lilwin wasn't ka open my bum na me and my papa's are fellas e ka bi ba be na me Lilwin we catch you be mama no one no be am no me boss start chwa na ya chere karat ne martial art wo SS me self defense there but enyo me ehun hia Lilwin ye be mama no enya boxing no yenye UFC so nim UFC I say kickboxing be bia afraid Kiempia ring him no one no nyina so ni moja. I'm telling you. And you say mini gun and tina make us. I'm telling you. Self defense. Now watch down your crab in the street baby. E buo what you say go sleep no 1 year cry so buno. Nipa no or 1 year cry you need to respect that person. And to say o kan asem na nye na obi be catch yourself Lilwin na nya tie. E so tie. Because we are no enye bibia na obi anim ebia mistakenly na akọ make this comment na now nim say sa o comment here wa make kra no too bad sa and ya be catch us enye obi man so anke ya chew Ghana kra no obi pushi asem we a ye be ba be chew nti say o ka say o be che papa J na me ma ba de a o papa J o nye o hwe o say o che no because uni case be against papa J. And I'll catch you as a Poleeno Multimedia, ABI, ya can't watch some money that. Lilwin, Opa go through all our videos, over 3,000 videos. Lilwin, you can't see our that. Yeah, you make it any comment against you that. Some no be an interview. Then you panic some A, B, C, D. F on one, and tell the Poleeno na aka. I assume I see na aka, some material. Into na me caption am say we assume see fires and I assume see tells it all. It's between only nipa no how our relationship akono and nipa no e dey ababo until no abeka. It doesn't mean say me Poleeno and maka. Poleeno Multimedia a channel ye mu bia ni wa ye di obi atemo channel no so da from beginning to now because you're very well educated. Until you be wo aye nye enye bibia na abeti ebe yode be enye bibia na ebe ka ho asem but this particular statement a statement enye is very dumb. It's impossible. You understand? It's you too for afa neja fans na odi o machi say I say can create bloggers e twa ntro to bi so me why na me twa ntro to no so Ghana da why na me twa ntro to no so Ghana hada. Many top K din komo ma ne ka say nyum bi oye kra wo na ma ne bo tie Kumawood for e wo Poleeno Multimedia. Nti bibi sa no say me interview top K no kan say mo ya that means say Poleeno me na maka. But who influence and say on monyom entia wo colleagues. How could you? What you say? Nti say oye nyom abu o na nye na abu ye ni go say o ka say e kan say ma Lilwin nsem bebre ne ye betimi aka because game we ya wo match. Me, I'm not talking with emotions. If I'm talking with emotions and send me with America, I'm just being limited to Dr. Grace Boadu there. Nyame enfa ne currency ye mu bu ho a ye experience bi da. Ye nim how ya. But the course will feel on and try ye because they can never have any video from any of our mom ko on the channel say aka bi bonne etia abusuane da. But the only video they will find in their channel videos are a promote Dr. Grace Boadu hospital no and for force you are closing it down. That's so yeah Juma. What you say? Nti enye say ya kan bibi bonne bia fa abusua no ho. Ye nka bibi bonne ba ho kran fa abusua no ho. Nti so omokọ ho na bibi we be kosi na ntwa ye na ye ka na abusua no kra no omo ho na ye try say be settle asem no peacefully and me kenka nsem we and wontimi so mfa won nsem ni mbere obi kuro but on ye be ba be address wa asem ne say wa asem na wo ka ne nyansa nim nti hunu how I be say address issues. Don't talk with anger, don't talk with jealousy, don't talk with envy. Ka asem ne say the asem ne te. You can advise but en ka asem a inim. Oh member some make asa be into there me de be say here obi obepa achewa wo na we say oba Ghana fo nyina achew say asem na wo kan no Ghana fo mfa nchew, you didn't mean it. What you say Ghana fo mfa nchew na wo kan agro so but nya sem bia so na edidi agro nti o mfa nchew sa na we say obekasa na agasa me pa ochew na me bo ne be no my wa me pa ochew min di watem but asem na wo kan no nyansa ni wa asem nim. What you say? Aye. The name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Me, my son, fucking, my crap.